Hey guys, Sawyer with Papé Machinery, Ag and Turf, Donald, Oregon. Big question I get asked, what's the right traction for my property? Well, there's a few questions you need to ask yourself and your salesman when determining that. What am I going to be doing on my property? You need to figure out what implements you want to run, what tasks you want to accomplish, and any problems that you'll see on your property. Is there any slopes or hills? Do you need to run a bigger rotary cutter to break up the brush? Stay tuned and we'll talk about all those questions. First off, we have a 1023E tractor here. This is going to be able to lift about 700 pounds in the bucket. You're going to have a 23 horsepower diesel engine, and then on the PTO in the back is going to be about 15. So that PTO horsepower out the back is going to dictate the size of implements you can run. Now this is the plain Jane unit. If you go up step to the 1025R tractor, you now have a 25 horsepower diesel engine and then an 18 PTO. So you're going to be able to run rotary cutters, have a tiller option. You can put a backhoe on the back of this model. You'll also have a tilt steering wheel and a little bit nicer seat than the 1023E model.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's toolkit video. If you want to see more, check out these videos here and here. Please subscribe so you see more content that we're going to be putting out. If you want to follow us on our social media accounts, check out our Facebook and Instagram below. And if you want to do a favor for us, if you have any questions, please comment. We're happy to make any videos that you guys have. We'll see you next time.